Hello, so here we go. This is my 6th cooking video. Very simple one. This is the sliced aubergine. I'm just going to pour some olive oil over there. Just drizzle some over. Next we take some seasoning. Put that over. Like so. Okay, I've turned them over, so just going to do the same again. So they're nicely coated. Generous with olive oil. That's extra virgin olive oil. Nice extra flavour. Salt and pepper again. Nice and generous. And it's good to just turn them over, rub it into the oil, so nicely coated. Maybe add more if you need to be. And yeah, so we're just gonna make sure they're coated nicely all over. Just rub it in, and just gonna leave them for say half an hour. Just let the oil soak in. As you can see, I've sliced one tomato, and there is 50 grams of feta cheese there. And at this point, you should put your oven on about 180 degrees. Next, just slice the feta cheese up a bit. So the feta cheese I've crumbled. Feta cheese crumbles quite easily in your fingers. Now these aubergines have absorbed the olive oil and they've been seasoned. So I'm going to place the sliced tomatoes on top and crumble some feta. There we go, just enough. Now just a little bit more olive oil. What goes in the oven, not too much, it's already quite saturated. That will do really. So pop that in the oven for say 10 minutes. Now they're out of the oven. Feta cheese has just started to brown on top. Just going to put some on the plate. One. Ooh, get that one there. Let me. 2. 3. Just add a bit of garnish in the middle, make it look a bit nice. And then just drizzle it a little bit more oil over, and maybe a touch of balsamic. There we go. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and thanks again for watching.